This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of speaking of students. This is examiner Arvinder Singh. I am here to conduct speaking of candidate Inderjeet Kaur with candidate number 110908. Okay, Inderjeet, first of all, please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Inderjeet Kaur. I have completed my post-graduation in law stream and now I am an advocate of Bar Council, and I belong to the nuclear family. We have 4 members in our family. My aim was to become a PCS officer, so that's why I'm to join the law streams, and I have recently carried my license from the district court.
Okay, let's talk about your name. What is the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name is to victory, because my full name is Inderjeet. So the Inder is to refer to the victory of the Lord, like God is Inder, and it is symbol of victory.
Okay, so is it a common name or a unique name in your country?
Well, in my point of view, it's a common name. So I hear my name for different persons in every field. So it's a common for me.
Okay, who gave you this name?
My grandfather gave this name to me because my father name is Harinder Pal Singh, so the last letter of my father is Inder, so my grandfather gave me the name of Inder.
Alright.
My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number.
Have you ever thought of changing your name?
918.
No, it's it's name given by my grandfather. So I have very feelings attached to this name. So I don't think I don't change my name.
Alright. What type of names people have in your country?
There are so many kinds, and so many names in our country, and like Lovepreet and Harpreet, Inderpreet, Inderjot, and there are many names in our country.
Okay. Do younger and elder generation like same type of names, or do they have different choices?
It's not a type of name. The youngers want to that name which is has the basically meaning. So they like some modern name like Eliza and all, and our names are given by the grandfathers and they belong to the past, so they gives that name. But today generation wants the new names which is the modern, which listen to the modernized name.
Alright. Okay, let's talk about childhood. Did you enjoy your childhood?
What kind of
Yes, definitely I enjoy my childhood, but when I was my 10th standard, my father was critically ill, and due to the diabetes, their one legs have been removed due to the diabetes disease. And my family financial condition was so weak, so it's not a good time for me, but my family has always give a suggestion that we live in the in house and to adjust all things better.
Okay. What is the best memory of your childhood?
Pardon, please.
What is the best memory of your childhood?
My best memory is that when I was in 10th standard, my result was out, and I have got 86% marks, and then that time my father was with me, but after that when the result was 2 or 3 months, my father had no more. And they always want that I achieve the best marks in the 10th standard, because they want to attend the classes of law, because to become an advocate, it's my dad's dream. So it's not basically my dream, and I have no interest in that. But because of my father, I want to become a goal in that stream.
Okay. Did you have a lot of friends when you were a child?
Any plans for the after?
No yet, but I have live in a very small circle, and I am the introvert person. I don't enjoy the company of many people. I mostly live in a lonely place, and to listen music, and this gives me so much relaxation on my mind.
Okay. Do you think childhood is the best time in every individual's life?
Yes, definitely childhood is the best time, because because at that time no any problems in our mind, and no stress by our studies and all. And but when the life goes on, there are so many responsibilities in our mind. So childhood is the best.
Alright. Okay, now we will move towards part 2 of speaking, that is cue card. Right? Okay, so your cue card is describe a work or sport you have done as a team member, right? What sport did you do? Who all were with you? When did you do it? How did you feel doing a team activity? The cue card, right? You have to prepare it for 1 minute, and then you have to deliver it for 2 minutes. Your time for preparation starts now.
In my college examination, during examination, we teacher gave the assignments, and we make the assignments with a team, and these are all are my friends, and we are the best friends. So we select the because a teacher said you can select the any topic for their presentation. So we decided, all friends, that we have decided that topics, and we all are prepared for this. But my teacher said the presentation should be made in the typing form. But I had very weak in the typing. So my friends had helped me to type the question. But we have to divide that presentation in all my friends. So we have done in a different parts, and we have to not spend most of the time with my friends, and we all are coming in the morning and spend time and spend time for the evening onwards. And my family always call me, where are you? And I said my mother that I am making presentation, but at that time we have do so many activities and fun with my friends. So it was the best time for me, because friends gives the so many friends makes me so happy, and when I with them, I feel so lucky that they all are very helpful for me. It was a fantastic time, and when we gave the presentation on the presentation day, my teacher always said we are the unity in our friends, and there are and give the best in the presentation, and my teachers gave the best marks, because our friendships are the famous in our college. Everyone knows.
Okay. Okay, let's move towards the follow-up questions. Okay, what kind of qualities you can learn in a team?
Basically, we know about the how to talk with the others and to work in the unity, because it's a very important to work in the group, because everyone shares with their own thoughts, experience, and which is very beneficial for the beneficial teamwork and for every kind of work and in every field.
Okay. Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
Yes, definitely. Team leader makes the discipline in our team, and they balance all things equally, and they divide their works and to handle the problems and to solve the situation which arise due to the some work or some issues, technical issues. And in the company also, manager are also gives the so many helps to the workers, as it's not provide the helps as the manager. They team leaders is also is the like a friend for the workers, or the in every field. They definitely leaders are very important thing.
Okay. Why do companies practice team activities?
Sorry, sir.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Because in every company they want their production should be more. So if they all work in a team, so more work are done by the workers and the managers. So team, when we are even if we are work with the team, we divide their work, and because of that the work should be done earlier and the best in the project.
All right.